Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tasks from Todoist to Asana using Zapier, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer tasks from Todoist to Asana using Zapier, first, log into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Zapier website. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button. This will take you to the Zap setup page. For the trigger app, search for and select Todoist. Now, choose the trigger event that suits your needs, such as new task. Click on Continue to proceed. Next, connect your Todoist account by following the on-screen prompts. Once connected, you can set up the specific details for the trigger. Choose the project in Todoist where your tasks will be pulled from. Test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. Once you confirm the trigger is set up properly, click Continue. Now, it's time to set up the Action app. Search for and select Asana as your Action app. Choose the action event, such as Create Task. Click Continue to proceed with the setup. Next, connect your Asana account by entering your credentials. Now, you'll need to map the data from Todoist to Asana. Choose the fields from Todoist that you want to appear in Asana, such as task name and due date. You can customize other fields according to your requirements. Once you've finished mapping, click Continue to proceed. Zapier will prompt you to test the action. Run the test to check if tasks are being created in Asana from Todoist. If the test is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. If there are any issues, review your mappings and settings. Once satisfied, turn on your Zap to activate the automation. Your tasks will now be automatically transferred from Todoist to Asana as per your settings. Congratulations, you have successfully set up a Zap to transfer tasks between Todoist and Asana using Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.